Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a professional glowing character outline effect in CapCut PC. Let's begin. First, open CapCut and add your clip to the timeline. Select your clip and remove the background clip by clicking this button. Now that's done, go select Adjust and go to basic. Scroll down, you will see the exposure and set it to 50, right? We have the value 50 over here. Then go to curves. We need to make some adjustments on the Luma. Now put this endpoint on the top left corner. Then the next thing you need to do is copy the clip and put it right above your original clip. Then by selecting the clip above, I want you to go to adjust again, basic, scroll down. The saturation should be set to -50, exposure -50. Next, go to curves and put these endpoints on the bottom section, right? For both ends. Then go to video and we need to scale this to around 95. Then go to the effects section over here and look for glow number 2. Add it to your timeline on top of the first clip, make some adjustments and set this to the highest point, like 100 for each, the glow and the size. And that's it, you're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.